If your door handle keeps sticking or jamming, it's probably time to clean and lubricate that mechanism before it totally breaks on you. So, first up, grab some WD-40 or a silicone-based spray, because those are clutch for loosening up stuck parts. Next, pop off the handle cover with a screwdriver. Usually just a couple of screws, nothing crazy. Once you're inside, check for any dirt, dust, or gunk that's built up. A quick wipe with a rag or an old toothbrush can make a big difference. After cleaning, spray the lubricant directly onto the latch and the moving parts of the handle mechanism. Don't overdo it though. A couple of sprays is enough. Too much can attract more dirt. Work the handle back and forth a few times to get that lube spread evenly inside. If your door still sticks after this, check the screws and tighten any that are loose, because sometimes the handle jams just because it's not screwed in tight enough. Lastly, wipe off any excess lubricant to keep things neat and avoid slippery handles. One of the biggest issues with door handles sticking or jamming is neglecting regular maintenance, which lets dirt and grime build up and causes everything to get stuck. Fix this by setting a reminder to clean and lubricate your door handles every few months. Another common mistake is using the wrong kind of lubricant, like grease or oil, that can gum up over time. Stick with WD-40 or silicone spray instead for smooth operation. The third problem is ignoring loose screws or parts, which can mess with how the mechanism works. Always tighten screws and replace any damaged parts to keep things working right. BigHomeProjects.com is great if you want to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to score more jobs, it connects you with homeowners ready to get projects done without all the hassle.